My name is Rachel Cooper. I am 32 years old. I never imagined my life would become like this. When I first met Michael Harris, he was kind, warm, and full of beautiful promises. He always told me, "Rachel, I will take care of you. You will never be alone." His words felt soft, like a safe blanket. I believed him. Maybe I believed too much. When we first married, things were simple. We lived in a small apartment with a small kitchen and old furniture. But we were happy. We laughed while cooking dinner. We walked in the park every weekend. He used to bring me flowers, sometimes even one small daisy he found outside. I thought, this is the man I will grow old with. But life changes quietly. Sometimes it changes so slowly, you don't notice, until one day you open your eyes and everything is wrong. Every morning, I woke up before the sun. I cooked breakfast, packed lunch, washed dishes, cleaned the floor, and helped my daughter Lily get ready for school. Michael stayed in bed, wrapped in the blanket like a baby. When I asked for help, he always said the same words. "Let me rest. You do everything better than me." At first, I laughed. Then, I felt tired. Later, I felt invisible. One morning, I ran around the house trying to do 10 things at the same time. The sink was full. The laundry basket was full. Lily was crying because she couldn't find her homework. And there was Michael, sitting on the couch, scrolling on his phone like the world did not exist. I asked softly, "Michael, can you please help?" He didn't even look at me. "Stop shouting," he said. "You make noise." I wasn't shouting. I was breaking. That night, I made simple pasta because I was too tired to cook anything else. Michael looked at the plate and frowned. "Pasta again? Why don't you cook something better?" My eyes burned, but I said calmly, "I do everything. You sit all day and complain." He hit the table. "Don't raise your voice at me. I am the man of the house." I lowered my eyes, but something inside me closed, like a door that would never open the same way again. Neighbors started noticing. My mother told me, "Rachel, you look tired." Even his parents said, "He works hard. You should support him." But Michael didn't work. He didn't even try. I felt like a ghost moving inside my own house. One night, Michael said, "You women are made for this." Those words stabbed me deeper than any action. The next morning, I only cooked for Lily and myself. For 3 days, I didn't wash his clothes, didn't clean his cups, didn't pick up his socks from the floor. On the 4th day, he finally broke. "Rachel, I cannot live like this." I looked at him with calm eyes. "This is the life I lived for years." He said he would change. And, for a while, he really tried. He found a job. He helped sometimes with the dishes. He played with Lily more. But fear stayed inside me. Fear that the old Michael was only sleeping, waiting to return. And 2 months later, he did. Small things at first. He came home late. He stopped helping. He left plates everywhere. He complained again. Then one evening, after almost a year of trying, he looked at me with cold eyes and said, "Rachel, I want a divorce." My chest froze, but I only said 2 words. "Then go." He left, just like that. And 2 months later, he married a younger woman named Eva Monroe. At first, everything looked perfect. Eva was sweet, soft, gentle. Michael said she understood him better. But slowly, the truth began to show. One morning, Michael woke up to a disaster. Dirty plates, messy kitchen, clothes on the floor, cold coffee, no breakfast. Eva slept until noon. When she finally woke up, she said, "Michael, can you clean all this? You're better at it." He froze, because those were his old words now coming back to hit him. Days turned into weeks. Eva left messes everywhere. She complained. She slept late. She asked him to do everything. Michael became the old me, tired, invisible, unappreciated. One night, After cleaning the kitchen alone, he whispered to himself, "Rachel, I am sorry." He opened his phone. He looked at my name, Rachel Cooper. He wrote a message, "I finally understand," then erased it. He typed again, "I am sorry for everything," then erased it again. He wanted to say he missed me. He wanted to say he was wrong. He wanted to say he wished he could go back, but in the end, he closed the phone. And now, Michael sits in silence, living the life he once gave me, learning the lesson he never wanted. And I finally live in peace. No shouting, no heavy heart, just a calm home, a happy daughter, and a future I am ready for. The story ends here, with a door left open, a message never sent, and a life that finally belongs to me. If this story touched your heart, please subscribe, not just for more stories, but for more moments that make you feel something again.